In this DelfStack tutorial, you'll learn how to fix a blurry screen on Windows 11. Watch until the end to see all the steps to fix a blurry display. If your screen looks blurry or unclear, this is easy to fix. First, right-click the desktop and select Display Settings. You can also open Settings and search for Display Settings. Once open, go to the Display Settings page. Set scale to 100%, which is the recommended value. Confirm all display options are set to recommended values. Next, set the display resolution to the recommended option. Choose 1440p for a 1440p monitor or 1080p for a 1080p monitor. Here, a 1080p monitor is selected. Finally, open Settings again and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager and expand Display Adapters. Select your active display adapter or graphics card. Click Update Driver and install the latest driver. After updating, the display should no longer be blurry. That is it. Thanks for watching and follow for more.